What up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna have a breakdown of XAUUSD, that is gold dollar for those who are wondering. I'm gonna have my screen up here. I'm gonna just sort of take you along on what I do to get positions during the week. I'm gonna try to film a 1 week day in a life of how trading works, right? But some of you were interested on how things work, on how I trade, so I decided to make this video. So I hope you enjoy. Let's jump in the charts. So you can see today, since the day has started, so you can see this is the end of last Friday. Let's have a quick breakdown of last Friday. Okay, so we had a huge drop last Friday. This is mainly because of the non-farm payroll. This was the news you can see on fxfactory.com. You can see there's red folders last Friday, and this affected the gold dollar drastically. You can see average hour earning, and you can see a huge positive change, which is negative effect in the market. But this was the reason last Friday. But nevertheless, we are in a new week. Let's see what's coming today. We have a CNY bank holiday, AD bank holiday. Not a lot of news for dollar and yen, so I might not get a trade because the market has less volatility, less liquidity, so I might not get a position today. Plus on a Monday I like to start it slow, not to jump into any drastic positions, keep the FOMO on the side, you already know. So anyways, let's break down what might happen today. So while I make this video, I'm going to sort of jump from timestamp to timestamp, meaning I will show you how I analyze the market in the morning, and then jump to the afternoon or the evening when I'm about to get the position, while I get the position, and after the position. Okay. All right. So one of the indicators, not technically an indicator, but one of the tools that I use is Sonar Lab sessions. This allows me to see where the Asian market starts, where the Asian market ends, when London will open, when London will close, and of course New York throughout the day, because I mainly trade New York sessions, but I will start analyzing from the Asian session onwards. So I should quickly show you sort of how I understand where I will get my entries for the day. First of all, it's very important to understand where the market is heading. As you can see, we've been in this sideways for quite a while. Let me use some tools to kind of point out. We've been trending sideways, slightly uptrending, but we came all the way back down. We broke down this support level here, found a strong resistance, and gold is downtrending, at least for the beginning of the week at the moment. So just an idea, not a full analysis. If we go to higher time frame, you can kind of see gold has made its all-time highs, and then now we are sort of seeing a resistance level over here. Could be a potential head and shoulders, but not too deep on that, because you never know what happens in these markets. Anyways, for today, let's analyze one day at a time, because what's important as a day trader is whether I get position today and how I come out of the position today. Less about the past or what might happen in the near future. First thing I want to see before I even have an idea of entering any trade is we mark out the Asian high and the Asian low. How do I mark out the Asian high and Asian low? So London starts for me around here at 2 p.m. I'm in Thailand, and until 2 p.m. wherever Asian goes, up or down, that is my highs and lows. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark out the Asian high, but currently we have not reached Asian low yet, right? So if this goes lower before 2 p.m. I will adjust it as it is. So once this Asian high and Asian low break out, I will see manipulation in London session, and during that I will know whether I will go long or whether I will go short. I would like to go short since we are in a downtrend. So if there's a long potential position coming in, I will consider more than a short position. But if we break downwards, then I will kind of see how far the retracement will be for it to grab liquidity again to go further down, or if it breaks up, where will it come to grab liquidity or retest from that breakout, right? I'll take you along with that process as well, but that will continue once Asian high and Asian low breaks, which will probably happen around by 5 p.m. I should get a potential entry. But before that, during London session, if I see anything interesting, I will update you, and until then I will see you in the afternoon.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the video. It is evening right now. It's 10:42 p.m. As you can see in the chart, I waited for Asian to break out. Today was very late. We broke on the top, the resistance broke, and that was around before New York session started. You can see over here, by the time it broke out of Asian, it was during mid-London session and right before New York session started. So in order for me to have an entry in this trade, I need to come back into the Asian session, retrace to the previous resistance, which I've set over here. This is where I want to have my entry for the day. A simple breakout retest, some may call it, but it is a concept that I have developed for gold, and it works mostly throughout the week. Usually Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Mondays and Fridays, I usually either don't get a position or I try not to trade because it's usually correction days or high volatility, and it's also difficult to predict what will happen in the market. Usually Fridays and Mondays have either red file news or something like that. So I wasn't really looking for a strong position today, but I wanted to take you guys along on sort of how I trade. I just got back. I went to the mall, have some dinner with friends, with my girlfriend, and now I'm back. And the thing about trading is, right now, at a click of a finger, I could get a position, and but that doesn't mean that's a planned entry. That doesn't mean it is going to go the right way. That's the concept about trading. Everybody thinks trading is easy, or all they do is click buttons, or some people may call it gambling, etc. But no, it's a very calculated work where you have to develop a system where your probability is high in the market, and that's what we do here. And I've developed the system, and if the market doesn't give me an entry, I just don't get the entry for the day. So that's, I guess, concept of the day is trading doesn't mean you get up and watch the market, and when you feel good you have a buy or sell. No, I think the idea of trading has been miscommunicated many times. I believe that profitable trading is you are somebody who has gone through the market, checked what works, what doesn't work, tried a variety of price action and indicators, and then you realize that you're not confined to trade in a certain way that maybe the books may say, or maybe other traders may say, but rather you are supposed to go in this journey and embrace how the market works. Once you kind of have an idea of how the stock market works, what you have to do is you have to find a system, an edge, where day after day, repeatedly, it has to give you the outcome that is on your favor, right? And I kind of show you how that works right here. Okay, so for example, I've developed my edge, and I kind of keep this document to remind me how I trade. And this is weeks after weeks of back testing the same system, the same concept over and over again. And when you test the same concept over and over again, you will have an understanding of which day is the best day for you to be highly profitable, which days are usually difficult, where you may lose. For example, for me, that is Mondays and Fridays, right? And when it is profitable, how much can you profit, right? And then when it is going to be a loss, what is your fixed stop loss, right? So there are levels into this. There are many details. For example, when do you place break even? That is when your trade is going towards profit and you want to stop it from having any loss in your account. You want to put zero loss. That is called break even. Okay, so when do you put the break even, and when do you take partial profits? Okay, some traders take partial profits, some traders don't. I take partial profits. Every time I get 5 pips, I will take out maybe half my position or quarter of my position. That way, no matter what happens in that position, I will always get some profit. Okay, so I mean, it's the first day of this YouTube video, so I'll get into further details in the future, but for now, these are some concepts. And you can see I've developed this edge, and I've sort of went through every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which one do I profit, which one do I not profit, and when I do profit, how much do I profit, and if I withdraw X amount of capital and keeps X amount of capital, how can I grow my account, etc., while withdrawing the profits at the same time. So these are some things that as a trader we must plan. We need to have a goal of where we are heading with the trades. Yes, it is fun to book profits. Yes, it is great to withdraw the money and use the money. In the end of the day, that is the core value of trading, is to turn it into your source of income, like your career. But to get to that point, we must go through a lot of trial and error. Okay, and today on Monday, for now, I still haven't got the position throughout the whole day. And what will I do? Nothing. I just have to wait. And if it doesn't give me my position, then so be it. I'll come back again tomorrow, right? That's the hardest part about a trader. You have to be extremely disciplined. Like right now, it might look like a potential buy market, and I could just go to my terminal and just enter buy. But no, you don't. You have, for me, if it's not in my playbook, if it's not in my edge, I shall not enter the trade. Okay, so if there's anything you can take away from this video, that is, please develop a system, follow the system. If you don't get trades like myself today, that's perfectly fine. Please continue about the day. There's many things to do, and I'm sure as a trader you also come with other work in hand, and using trading as a secondary source of income. So when you don't have positions, you can focus on your primary source of income, right? So something like that. And for now, I am going to wait till London session ends, probably till midnight, 12 a.m. And if I still don't get a position, I am going to call it a day and not have any entries for Monday, and that's perfectly fine. I'm excited for Tuesday. I will come back again tomorrow and share more about my mindset, how I trade, getting positions, etc. So I hope you guys learned something. Please like and subscribe on this channel. I will try to improve my content and share more and more information, and grow together in this journey of trading. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you again next time. If I get position, I'll be back, and if I don't, I will see you on Tuesday.